how to add Home Depot to Apple Wallet. You want to load up your App Store. In here, we will search for Pass to You. You need this app in order to add your Home Depot card. So search for Pass to You, find the app that looks like this, install it, and then click on Open. Now, once we have the app open, we'll click on the orange plus sign in the bottom right, and then apply a pass template. From here, what we're gonna do is use the search bar to search for Home Depot. Just like that, and it's gonna show us some different templates. Home Depot Store Credit Official, so we just wanna find the card that looks like yours. Click on it. And here you can customize all of the different fields. If you press on the pencil icon, you can change the balance, the PIN, and also you can add a QR code at the bottom. Simply fill out this with your information, click on Done. Then you want to click on Add. And now if I go into my Apple Store, Apple Wallet, as you can see, I have the Home Depot card that we just created here. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.